Hello everyone, welcome back to Life with Commie. If you love delicious Nigerian soups, you are in for a treat. Today, I'll show you how I prepare my rich, smooth and flavorful ogbono soup that is perfect with eba, pounded yam, fufu or semovita. Let's get cooking. I began with my well-washed turkey in the pot, added water, blended fresh pepper and onions, added stockfish and then my roasted fish because I was in a hurry and I wanted to make this in one pot. So I came in with salt, trying to be careful with the salt. I added a little salt. Then my seasoning cubes, added palm oil to the pot, covered it and allowed everything to cook together until it is very soft and tender, because this gives the soup a very rich taste that makes every spoonful delicious. At this point, I opened and then gave it a quick stir and also removed the fish in order to prevent them from breaking in pieces, though they were roasted fish and it made the fish hard. So I didn't want the fish to break, so I had to remove it from the pot, then leaving the meat in the pot. I had to taste the soup, the meat stock at this point for salt because I added a very little amount of salt. I had to be careful. I came in with my ogbono. Yes, so I add this bit by bit and then I washed the consistency of the soup. So I'm going to add some more to this soup. So as I add the ogbono, I'm going to stir it to avoid the ogbono having lumps. So I'll stir this until the soup starts to thicken up. So the soup is thickening up and then beginning to have the signature silky texture that ogbono soup is known for. I had to come in with a little amount of water because the soup was becoming very thick. So I added a little to loosen up the consistency of the soup.
By step, day by day, grace is leading all the way through every season, rain or shine. I'm thankful for this life of mine.
And then I gave it a quick stir, after which I came in with my okra. This has been grated, so I came with my okra and then gave it a quick a good mix. So after which I'm going to allow to boil very well. I came in with some more pepper because I like my ogbono soup to be peppery, and then some more seasoning cubes because if the soup is not as peppery as is expected to be, you could have a reaction in your belly. You might want to throw up. So I like my ogbono soup to be extra spicy. So I'll give it a very good stir and then allow everything to boil very well. Look how rich, smooth and appetizing this soup looks. The aroma is simply amazing and it is ready to be served with your favorite swallow. Now I'm adding the fish back to the pot and then I'm going to give it a stir. So if you've watched to this point, please subscribe, like the video and also drop in the comment section if you'll be trying something like this, or how do you cook your ogbono soup, though there are different methods of making ogbono soup. Please drop where you're watching from and I will give you a like and say hello in my next video. I hope you enjoy cooking with me today. If you find this recipe helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Life with Commie and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our recipes. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what do you love to eat your ogbono soup with. I love to hear from you. See you in my next delicious recipe. Bye for now.